everyone, it's Karen from Be Green, and today I'm here to talk to you about our dry cleansing grains. So our dry cleansing grains is all powders that you add your own water to. You could also use aloe juice if you wanted, and you're going to use this as a cleanser, or you can use it as a mask, or you can just use it as an exfoliant. So we recommend this for those that have normal to combination to oily skin. However, I have dry, mature skin, and I use it as an exfoliant just to get the dead skin cells off my face. I'll use it once a week, and then my face is like super smooth after. So I'm going to show you how to use it today. What I like to have is a little lid to keep it from going everywhere. What I like to use is I have these tiny little stainless steel bowls that I mix it in. You could use a ramekin, you could use a plastic bathroom cup, anything like that works just fine. So I recommend to use about a half teaspoon of the powdered mix. This one I have here is actually a 1 teaspoon, so I'm just going to put half into my little bowl like so. And then you're going to add some water. You start with about 1/4 teaspoon of water. We'll add that right in. And then you're going to stir. You can really see that it ends up turning a little bit pink because of the rose powder that's in there. So you can see that I've mixed that up, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Let me just first tie my hair back so we don't get pink mask all in my hair, like so. Okay, so what you're going to do is put some of the exfoliant cleanser on your fingers, and you're just going to go ahead like this and rub it in. Just rub it in very gently. You'll feel the ingredients that are exfoliating. In here we have organic lavender flowers that have been ground down, organic pink rose petals that have been ground down, and then also some apricot kernel meal and a very gentle exfoliant, which is colloidal oatmeal. And there's also some kale and clay in here. So for those of you who do have oily skin and you want to let it dry, you can let it dry. The kaolin will dry, you'll feel it, your skin tightening, and at that point you'll take it off. I don't use it that way because I do have drier skin. So I just rub it in like so, so I can feel the grains working, and then I just take a wet towel and remove it. Once you've removed it, it's so remarkable how smooth your skin is. It's really, then you go and you can use a toner after this, or you can go right to moisturizer, but the skin just feels so smooth. All the dead skin cells have been exfoliated away, and so it really opens up your skin for moisturizer. If you have any questions about it, please email me at begreenbathandbody.com. That's support at Be Green Bath and Body, and I'd be happy to answer any questions about it. Thank you for watching.